Present all Muslims to Salam. Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, you will be happy to know that some scholars of the area were thinking to set up a latest madrasa at Murray and establish Murray Islamia Senior Alim Madrasa. In 1924, now we are being taught from baby to class Alim and our total students 600 plus that are increasing day by day. Our centers, creative teaching method and new curriculum based, half yearly and yearly based exams, competition of excellent handwriting and outstanding drawing, arrangement of picnic prize giving ceremony and cultural function every year. Our result is eye-catching in 2024. Dakhil result was very excellent. 34 examiners passed out of 34. 3 got A+. We are proud to study at Murray Islamia Senior Alim Madrasa. At last, I wish prosperity and betterment to this madrasa. I am going to end my short speech, wishing good health all of you. Thanks to all. Assalamu alaikum. Innal hamdalillah. Innal hamdalillahi hamdan katsiran. Alladhi ja'ala al-lughata arabiyyan lisanan arabiyyan mubinan. Anzala biha Qur'anun karim. Qur'anan wa furqan. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabi rahmah. Alladhi ja'ala al-lughata arabiyyan lisanan arabiyyan mubinan. Anzala biha Qur'anun karim. Wa ala ali ashabihi ajmain. Amma ba'du. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Qala ta'ala wa lama insana ma lam ya'lam. Wa qala an-nabiyyu sallallahu alaihi wasallam bu'istu mu'alliman. Ayyuha alam ghairina. Kitakum ta'lamuna anna hadhihi madrasatun mashhuratun fi al-Iraq. Al-Qudus uliyatun musasatun fi sanati wa arba'un wa ishruna miladiya. Allati yu'minu biyatu sanat. Lahum nadullaha ta'ala. Yudkhuluhum Allahu fi usulati fi jannah. Ayyuha al-ladhina mukarramuna. Allati yanzilu bil mustaqbirati wa fi madrasatun ishruna mu'allima. Hamsatu qadimuna. Walimuna mahilun wasqalimuna. Walimuna bil muhimi wa bil qabli. Nazilatu madrasatuna. Innakum ta'lamuna anna hadhihi madrasatun. Wa fi madrasatuna ishruna mu'alliman hamsatu qadimin. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulillahil karim. Amma ba'd. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul yastawil ladzina la